Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a logo super simply on WIX Logo Maker today, and it will be completely professional. So first go to the link in the description and press get now, and it will take you to this page where you'll sign up for the Logo Maker. Then just sign up. You'll see me doing it now. I'm just making a test account. I'll go through this. I'll just skip this for you. Okay, so once you signed up, it will take you to this page where it says start designing your logo, and it'll ask you to enter your business name and a tagline, which is optional, but it looks great on a logo. So I'll just put in Tech with James, which is the name of my channel, and I'll just put a little tagline. So we'll go for programming and tech, which you'll see me do now, and then just press let's go. Then it'll ask you what the logo is for, so just give them a quick idea. Business, if you have a photography business, I'm going to put YouTube channel, obviously, anything you want, and then press next. Okay, now you just pick a few of these different options, giving you an idea of what you want the logo to look like, and this will help WIX generate some ideas for you. And it will give you a quick quiz asking you which styles you prefer, and this will narrow down even more what WIX will generate for you as your template logos. So just go through, it will ask you to pick 5 and just go through it quickly. Okay, there we go. And it's going to ask you what you use your logo for. So I'm just going to put website, business cards, social media. Just remember it's important to do that correctly because the size of the logo may differ depending on what you pick. So if you choose one for your website, that will ensure that your logo will be able to fit anywhere because it will be adjustable. Okay, then it will generate these templates for you, which you can have a look for and just choose your favorite one. You can load more. There's millions and millions. You can keep going. Okay, so just have a look through, choose your favorite logo. And remember, these are all fully customizable, so don't worry if you don't like them exactly as they are. So I'm just going to go up and have a look. And I quite like this one here. So I'll click on that, customize. And this takes you to the editor. Now here you can change loads of the features of the logo. As you can see, the color scheme, which I'm just going to play around with now. You can see when you change the color, everything changes to match up nicely. And I like it black, quite monochrome. That's very nice. And now here you can change all the words on the logo if you want to. You can also change the shape of the icon, which I'm about to show you. There you go. See, I think that looks much nicer when it's larger. You can also replace the icon, change it with different things, separate, change the difference between the icon and the words, loads of different things. You can really customize it. Okay, and as you can see, you can add a border. You can either have a standard square border, which looks quite nice here, but I'm going to choose the circle in a second because that looks a lot more professional in my eyes. There we go. And everything inside this square you can move around. You have complete control. It's all drag and drop, super easy to do. There you go, just making everything nice and tidy, all close together. And you can change the background color if you really want to. I'm just going to have a quick fiddle, but I quite like it how it is. There we go. Okay. So yeah, and as you can see to the side over there, you have a little, it gives you an idea of what the logo will look like on a computer screen. Yeah. Obviously, this logo maker, it gives you quite a lot of customization, but you can't do everything with it. And it's really going to just be good for small businesses, YouTube channels, just little mom and pop shops, nothing really serious because you can't customize it too much. As you can see that I'm going through, I'm going to change the font, which is super easy to do. There you go, that looks a lot nicer immediately. Okay, so I've now just cut to the end. You can see I've just changed the font on the tagline, no other major changes really. And now I'm done. So I'll press next and then get it now. And now you can either choose a plan, so you can get a logo and a website for the same price, which is a good deal, but really we're just showing you how to make a logo. So the just logo option should be fine for you. Now you've got the basic and advanced options. Basic should be fine for any small business. You won't really need the advanced options. Okay, thank you very much for watching and please subscribe.